Hey everybody, so we're getting ready to close. We're just 30 minutes away from the market close on this Friday before Christmas. So Wednesday, we had some major market movements when we had a quarter basis cut, which is great, and then the Fed Powell, he opened his mouth and he kind of threw out the baby with the bathwater and then just crushed this any chance for any Santa Claus rally or anything like that. So it is what it is. We live another day, and the market's kind of picking up pace here, improving from yesterday, and then today there's some improvement from a lot of the stocks that majority of we follow as investors, like Palantir, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Meta, all the important stocks that are out there. So lately, when I saw that, a lot of people were panicking, and I was kind of frustrated with the crypto, holdings that I have just taking a major dump. But you got to take it as it comes, and then kind of always be buying in these situations like this. And then, even though the market, you're looking back, it kind of does look a little top heavy, but all in considering, I think there's going to be a new change in administration, not January 20th, and so that's in the works. So there's things, whatever you like, whatever it's happening. So there's things that are going to be moving in the next few weeks. So I think things could start picking up again. And I'm always buying into these, like Palantir. It's up around 5% today. And I'm just continuing just buying into these great companies that are like have so much potential, especially Palantir. It's up almost $5 today, and then I did some buying in Tesla, and then just had some more Palantir buys in another account, and then just did some overall just market buying in my M1 account. But I did dabble into day trading, and that didn't go so well. I'm just more of a investor than anything, so I might just do some paper trading there to fix my rookie nerves coming back to doing day trading. But so with the Fed and everything, shocking the market there, instead of 4 rate cuts in 2025, they're taking only 2 cuts. So I think he should have just did the rate cut and just kind of limit what he was gonna say, and just say it was just data dependent, and just kind of just cut it short instead of rambling on about what he was talking about, and then mentioning that stuff he doesn't really know, and then he's gonna say that we only need 2 cuts instead of 4. But I think he's just worried about inflation, we had the inflation numbers today too as well, and they're expecting 2.5% inflation, and then it was at 2.4 something like that. Not much of a beat there, but it's something better than nothing. But in cases like this, you really don't need to worry unless you're trading a ton. I'm just doing my daily DCA, just whatever, how much a day, like maybe 10, $20 a day, and just doing it that way into Palantir, trying to build up that and build up my account. So if you're just doing DCA, I wouldn't worry about these short-term crashes, because that's just the buying opportunity that it is, that I think it's gonna be a good time to buy. But some of the crypto, like Doge, and some of them, they came back somewhat off their lows, but they're still down a ton. And like Solana, SHIB, Pepe, and then Bitcoin has kind of stayed where it's at. But I don't really DCA. I'm not DCAing that much into crypto, but it's more just into Palantir. And I think it's next year's going to be the year for Palantir, even though it's really gone up a ton. I think it's next year's going to be the Palantir's like kind of maybe a Nvidia moment. Not they just have so much good that's going for it. So we'll see there. But yeah, just keep DCAing. That's my plan. There really wasn't much other news today. Yeah, the market bounced 600 points so far. The Dow did, S&P around 75, and Nasdaq around 220 points. And yeah, it bounced basically on encouraging inflation data. It's funny how that's all it takes is like a 0.1% or 10% or whatever it is, just barely beating the estimate. But I guess that's all it takes to make the market happy. But it's kind of just the end of the week, and I think this weekend's going to be, of course, going to be slow probably for crypto, and then even Monday, and then you have Christmas, so I think next week is going to be pretty slow. I guess this weekend is a good time to be studying, if you're like day trading and learning how to day trade and stuff like that. I think that's what I'm going to be doing, learning how to I created a paper account, so I'm going to try to learn how the market goes and have my time there, not really just studying that up, the strategies there, before I really get into it some more. About that one stock I'm in, Resolve AI, it has a future, but I'm just holding it as like a swing trade for now at the moment, and I'm going to try to paper trade myself and try to get back out there. But just the name of the game in this market is just kind of always be buying with your DCA. I'm not talking about lump sum buying or stuff, but kind of zoom out and I can get a figure that we are kind of toppy in this market. If you look at the Dow, how much it's gone up, and something eventually is going to have to get something that's going to happen, or that could throw the market off a lot. But you just got to be cautious, and be cautious as much as you can. But those are my plans, and then maybe do some cover call rating and stuff like that, and some stocks that I have. But it's just the end of the week. I want to catch up with you guys, and then just tell you my plans there. But if I were you, I wouldn't be really worried that much about this market. Just keep building up your accounts and just go with the flow. But Palantir is the one I'm really trying to build up shares with. In the video, I got a bunch of shares now built up. Maybe next year I'll try to do that as well with Tesla. And I think those would be my three, like Palantir, Nvidia, and Tesla. And I'm also going to be next year, I'm going to also be following the quantum computing stocks a lot more. I missed that run, but it is what it is, because I really wasn't that was a lot more speculative than what I was really doing. So I didn't check that, but next year definitely will be. But let's just keep on the straight and narrow, and just keep buy at all costs. That's all I can say. Just out into your winners, and the rest will play out. I think we're gonna have a good year next year. And whatever the Fed really said, I really can't really believe. There could be more rate cuts than two, I would think, because we didn't really we went down like 50, and I think it was a quarter, and another quarter it was maybe one percentage point, which isn't that much. And then if there's only two more, and then it could be 2 quarter points. That's not much, and then another in 2026. That's just too far off to even speculate. I don't know why he did it, but that's just the way that game is played. But yeah, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just really focusing right now on building up my Palantir shares. The video I got a lot, and then Tesla probably next year. Kind of up that up. But yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and just chill. It's the weekend. It's a holiday weekend. Enjoy it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.